Hey adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unveiling the MN20 folding electric bike, your perfect companion for city commutes, off-road adventures, and everything in between. Ready to revolutionize your ride? Let's dive in. Meet the MN20, equipped with a 1000W brushless motor that peaks at 1500W. With a top speed of 30 miles per hour, this powerhouse effortlessly conquers all terrains. The robust controller ensures optimal motor performance and longevity, making every ride thrilling and reliable. Say goodbye to range anxiety. The MN20 features a 48V 15AH removable battery, offering up to 35 miles in pure electric mode and 50 miles with pedal assist. The convenient removable design makes charging a breeze. Just take it out and plug it in anywhere. Ride with confidence day or night. The MN20's waterproof headlights and brake lights ensure you stay visible and safe, whether you're commuting after dark or exploring new trails. Illuminate your path with clarity and safety. Stay informed and in control with the colorful LCD digital display. It provides clear visibility of your speed, mileage, battery level, pedal assist, and other essential information, keeping you connected with your ride at all times. Experience unmatched comfort with our double shock absorption system. The adjustable front forks and seat shock absorbers provide improved damping, making bumps and rough roads a thing of the past. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride every time. Take control with the twist grip throttle for effortless speed management and enhanced safety. The Shimano 7-speed system offers a wide shifting range, enabling smooth and precise gear changes across various surfaces, ensuring you're always in the right gear. Safety is paramount with our dependable dual mechanical disc brake system. It ensures effective braking performance, providing peace of mind and enhanced safety even at high speeds. Ride boldly and stop confidently. Adventure without limits with the MN20's foldable design. Its simple folding mechanism allows for easy storage in your vehicle's trunk, maximizing space and enhancing your RV, camper, or van adventures. Compact, convenient, and ready to go wherever you are. The MN20 folding electric bike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With powerful performance, exceptional comfort, and ultimate convenience, it's time to elevate your riding experience. Hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and join us on the next great adventure with the MN20. Ride on!